Hello gamers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back in RFS and there is a massive update to one of the aircrafts, and that is the Airbus A220-200. This was just released I think 1 week ago. And yeah, it's a really nice aircraft to be honest. So today we'll be checking out this new aircraft, see what it does, and yeah, do some flights. Not really flights, but I mean like takeoffs and landings. Alright, let's just take off, I don't care. Yeah, let's take a look at this beautiful aircraft. This is the Airbus A220-200, the C series, manufactured by Bombardier, and was released to Airbus. Airbus now holds all the close orders. One.
Positive range. Gear up.
Yeah.
Flaps.
See what this thing can do. It looks a bit like the 77. Interesting. Airbus and Boeing both dominate the skies. Right, let's check the cockpit out. As you can see, this is a very detailed cockpit. Just don't like it that it's like a very small space. Just go to cockpit view. Sorry, I mean a wing view. Looks very nice in the Airbus colors. Right. Now let's try failures. Let's see, this took off from WSS Singapore. Now let's try doing a landing. Set WSS. Let's try landing in Dubai. We'll set failures. Set failures. See. Failures random.
Gear down. Flaps.
Full establishment. 30 left. Sierra 115.
Then start.
Landing 0 degrees. 2 knots. Clear to land runway. 30 left. Clear to land runway. 30 left.
You can see have people from the ground looking at this massive, beautiful painting. See, the glass looks a bit dirty. It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be clean. It's a new aircraft. Come on, man, RFS, you gotta be pro. Oh wait, guys, no idea what I just said. Okay, seatbelts, no smoking on. Let's go. APU on, SpiceJet 177, Iraqi Airways. Iraq. Man, come on. As you can see, our registration is November 101 Delta uniform. We are reaching Dubai International Airport. Let's give the air go.
2,000.
Alarm. Speed limit. Forgot about the speed limit. Supposed to land runway 30 left or 30 right. I have no idea which is which, but it's okay. We're coming in the final approach. As you can see, the plane just took off from where it came from. Flaps aren't working.
4.
Flaps are extended though. They don't
300.
work.
Minimum.
Oh yeah, they don't work. We are coming hot on land. Let's go, let's go.
100 above. 100. 70. 50.
Let's butterize this
30.
machine.
20. Retard. Retard.
Oops.
Retard. Retard.
Reverse thrust. You can see this Boeing 787 SpiceJet taxi. Dubai ground taxi.
Ground, runway, 30 left, vacated. Request taxi to gate.
Roger. Continue taxi to gate.
Wilco.
Henry CL gate 145. The plane just disappeared out of existence. Go. Look, taxi speed. As you can see, we are reaching our gate 145. Just a bit sus. Just notice my flaps aren't working, so I have no idea. Are we supposed to, you know, like deploy the emergency slides, or check, or bring the passengers to the gate? It's just like very weird. Okay, as you can see, we are reaching 145.
Ground, approaching gate, switching off.
Roger. Close at 04.
Have a nice day.
And check that out. Oh wow, to be honest, not that bad. Ground systems. Load. Well, I guess it's not that bad. Lights. Continue. Alright guys, I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, as it helps the channel out a lot. Thank you very much, people. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye!